Okay, so you can see we have a live trade running right now. Okay, and yeah, remember what I told you guys in the previous video I just dropped. I told you guys that once you see price doing this, see we have higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. Price went above this structure, this line, this trend line we have here, above the trend line to show you that we are in the in an uptrend. Then price comes down back to this level here to create another higher low. Do you understand? As it's going now, it's going above this structure now to create higher high, another higher high. So that's why I took this trade after the 15 minutes, this very green candlestick now. Okay, so now price might spike down to this level, but it will still push above because this is an uptrend. Do you understand? So this is how to trade boom and crash. If you combine this with your strategy, with your indicators, trust me, you'll be like 90% to 100% accurate. Okay, so let me teach you guys more about how to combine this method I'm showing you guys now, this strategy, with your indicators. Okay, so if you are new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and join our telegram channel, free telegram channel. Okay, check the description area. I drop all my links, my WhatsApp line and my telegram link. Okay, so if you want to join our VIP channel, you can as well chat me up, or you have any idea, any question you want to ask us, fine. We run account management, mentorship, and we provide signals, okay, and also tips on how to grow in this space. Do you understand? So yeah, you can see here, this is a live market. This is not this is a real account. This is not demo. No, we've gone above that level of trading demo accounts. Okay, so this is a real account. You can see here, this is our stop loss right here, and this is our entry, and this is the TP1. These are TP1, very far from our entry, and this is our TP2. You can see our TP2 here, and our TP1. This is our entry, right? So that's because we are certain price will be going up. This is crash 1000. Okay, so now you see, now you can see I wait for price. I did wait for price to create this bullish move first. After this bullish move, to tell me that it's ready to move. Though I saw when price was at this level, I was so desperate. I really wanted to enter at this level here, but then I wanted to be certain that the spike is done. So now you can see, after the this spike here, this red candlestick here, we have a strong bullish candlestick, green candlestick, which confirm my entry. So after that level, I open a position. After that candlestick, I open a position which you see price running to this level. Okay, so that is to scalp um crash. Okay, then for boom, this is boom. I'm also waiting for boom to push up again. Remember the last time we had a the last video I just uploaded on this channel yesterday. uh Sorry. Okay, so boom, this is for boom. Boom, I'm actually waiting. When I woke up this morning, I realized I know boom will be selling for a long time. Boom will be selling for days, but I'm actually waiting for entry. I'm looking for entry. I'm waiting for price to push up again to this resistance level. Sorry, to this resistance level, to this, maybe this trend line or this other horizontal line here, for me to sell from this level here. Do you understand? Then once it gets to this level and I check my indicators, it tells me, okay, it's time for me to sell, I'll sell. Okay, so I can teach you guys, I can show you how to actually trade boom and crash and other assets. Okay, they are the same thing. Okay, so now I'll quickly show you guys the settings for the indicator I want to add for you guys to use for as confirmation after doing this analysis. Okay, so if you don't really know how to do this analysis, check the previous video just dropped yesterday, and my last video before this video. Okay, or you go to my playlist, Etiforex strategy. Okay, boom and crash strategy. Uh you see the last video just uploaded. Okay, you see number one, this will be the number two video. Okay, so you learn how to use this price action, combine it with your indicators to have good results. Okay, to have good results. So let me quickly show you guys the settings. So it might spike, but I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of the spike because I know the direction of the market. You can see it just spiked, but I'm not afraid because I know the direction of the market. Price will definitely go up. Okay, price will definitely go up. So let's add the indicators. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe, notification button, and join our Telegram channel. Okay, so this is it. Um, I have RSI, I have Ichimoku under the indicator window one. I have moving average. Okay, so I need to add. Okay, let me show you guys this moving average, the settings. I have the parameters here. We have the period 100, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Okay, style is to pixel. You click on done. Then you need to add another moving average. Okay, you click on the F icon. You click on the main charts to add another moving average. We have another one here. We have moving average 10 with period 10 exponential, and we change the color to red. Okay, we click on done. You see the red indicator there, right? Let me delete all this so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Then we go back again. We add on the main charts. We add another MA. We have MA5. MA5. This should be green here, and that's it. Okay, then for indicator window one, we bring this up here. All we have there is just Ichimoku. For scalping, you use only Ichimoku. Then for catching a spike, because you can equally use this strategy to catch spikes and also scalp. Okay, so for under indicator window one, we have RSI. We have the RSI period is 16, apply to close to pixel. The color there is red. We have the levels here. We have 90, we have 10, we have 95, and we have 5. Don't ignore the 0 you have there. Okay, 90, 10, 95, and 5. Okay, you go back and click on done. Then you go again to add the Chimoku. Tenkan Sen is 1, Kijun Sen is 2, Senkun Span B is 52. Don't fill this place, leave it open right there. Yeah, then the Tenkan Sen 4 pixel, and if you're using white background, if your MT5 is white background, you add the you make here black, right? Then if it is black, you make here to be white, right? Then other levels, other styles here are all white. The same with your MT5 background, because we don't want it to be visible, we don't want it to show on the chart. Okay, so you click on done. You click on done. That's it. Okay, so now for you to scalp, you need to move to 5 minutes. Remember when I told you for 5 minutes, move to 5 minutes. When price gets to this support level, this oversold level here, you buy at this level to the upside. Yeah. Then if you want to catch spike like what you have here, you move to 1 minute time frame for spike. If you want to catch spike, you move to 1 minute time frame. Then you see whenever it gets, you see the RSI, this red indicator here under the indicator window one. When you have the red indicator at oversold area, you sell at that level. Okay, you sell at that level there down. Yeah, if you go back again, you can see here we have price at oversold area, we sell at this level at level 90 and 95, we sell. Then for scalping, if you want to scalp, you move to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, after doing all the analysis I showed you guys on the previous video just uploaded, you move to 5 minutes time frame. Then whenever you have the Ichimoku at level of a sold area, that's for crash, that's level 10 or level 5, you're buying at that level, start buying, go to 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame to start buying. Okay, you can see here again, you buy at that level. Whatever price gets to that level, you start buying, and price pushes to the upside. The same thing here. Okay, so that's how to use this strategy. Then for boom, for boom, for boom, if you want to catch spikes on boom, you move to 1 minute time frame. When you see price at the RSI at level 10 or level 5, you buy. Okay, after doing your analysis, combining the price action. So please don't forget to check the last video uploaded here. Okay, so that you know what you're doing, so that you don't just buy because your indicator says you should buy. Okay, you buy again at this level, price push up, you can spike and you are out. Then for scalping, you move to 5 minutes time frame. Whenever price gets to this level here, you see the Chimoku, the black indicator here at the oversold area, at the 90-95 area, you sell. Okay, as you're selling on the 1 minute time frame, you're catching only 3 to 5 candles on the 1 minute time frame, and you're out. Then don't forget also, on the 1 minute time frame, when you go down to the 1 minute time frame, you must be sure that you have your two indicators here. This red indicator and the green indicator should cross themselves. Like you have the green indicator crossing for boom, you have the green indicator crossing the red indicator to the downside. Okay, you must cross each other to the downside for you to sell. Once you see the cross perfectly, you sell at that level, you catch your 5 candles and you're out. Okay, then you go back, you see the same thing here, 5 candles and you're out. You can see how accurate the strategy is. 5 candles and you're out. So how accurate the price action, the strategy is. You take those catch 5 candles and you're out. Okay, so that's how to trade this strategy. Okay, if you don't understand, I'll still drop another video to explain more further on how to actually catch spikes and also scalp with this strategy. Okay, so let's quickly check the crash 1000. Okay, you can see this crash 1000 is still pushing up because it's an uptrend. I've defined the market direction, and I'm not afraid. Even if it spikes and comes below my entry, I'm certain that price is pushing up again. Okay, so that's how to trade boom and crash. You treat boom and crash like every other asset. It's not different from every other asset. You treat them the same. It's just that if you go to 1 minute time frame, it spikes a lot on the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minutes time frame. So for it to avoid being avoid the confusion, okay, you need to move down to a higher time frame to define the direction. If you successfully define the market direction, you can go in to the lower time frame and make your decision. Make your decision on the higher time frame, then make your entry on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute and the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'll also drop another video to educate you guys more on the candlesticks and some levels you need to take trade. Okay, so that will be all for now, so that this video will not be long. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel. If this video is helpful, you can say this is a live trade. We are not using demo here. Okay,